Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex Gaming in the building. Actually, outside of the house, but anyway. So, you know the cube thing? Still trying to work on it. So, we've decided to chuck it on the ground. Chuck it. Just chuck that ball down. And when it breaks, we're going to go look through inside of it. Dude, I bet this is going to be really cool. So, let's get started. Put that down. Alright, so Andrew's going to be recording for a little bit, and then I'm going to be recording, and we're just going to switch off. We're just going to switch off. Alright, let's go. Alright. Alright, on the first try, it broke. What?
You got only one try.
Huh?
You got only one try.
What do you mean?
It's my camera.
Yeah, I know. Oh, look, this piece fell off. I want to put that back in and whatever. It's actually broken for eternity. It's broken for eternity. Alright, let's just leave that piece here. You take one big smash. Well, I have a feeling this is going to break into tiny little pieces. As hard as you can at the floor. Oh my gosh. Did you break anything? Oh, you didn't break anything. Alright. Let me take one big smash. I broke something. I saw something fly. I saw something fly. It's gotta be something. I think that's what's here. I saw something fly. I saw it. Where'd it go? Oh, but I literally, legitly saw something fly across. Or just come on, you're wasted. Alright, he's gonna go. Chuck it. Oh, he broke something. He broke the squiggly thing. He broke the squiggly thing. Let me see. Whoa, this is what it looks like now. Ha! It's cool. Alright, so we'll leave this piece here. No, hold on. I think nothing broke. Nope, nothing. Alright, go, Andrew. And Andy, by the way, okay, guys, by the way, this goes up to 7 minutes and 50 seconds. That's how long it can go for. And now it's 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Go. We gotta get that switch off. Jeez. Okay. My turn. I'm banging on the switch. Ugh.
Alright, come on.
Oh, nothing's breaking. Jeez. So, Andy, it doesn't matter. Oh, did it break? Just smash it again. I don't even care. As hard as you can. That's it. Nothing broke. Alright, I'm so angry. And when I'm angry, when the big fella Alex is angry, he's strong. Oh! Woohoo! The whole thing broke. Literally. Told you when I'm mad, something comes. So, guys, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's cool, right? And the switch stayed on. Now this could be like, oh my gosh, so cool. It could be, this could go into a light. They can stable this into a light. Oh wow. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button, that subscribe button. Alright, let me start over. Smash that like button and subscribe button. For this video, let's aim for... we haven't got any subscribers yet, right? Alright, let's aim for 2 subscribers and 3 likes. And, no, 3 likes and, this is going to be a challenge. 2 subscribers and 3 likes. That's our aim. Oh. Did you break that again? Oh, no, you didn't. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hold on, we're going to do something fun. No, actually, no. Okay, bye, guys. Peace.